The last piece you'll see in your workbook in Lesson 7. Lesson 7 is called Passion Cards, and you actually have some. How cool is that? Now, if you're going to choose consistently in favor of your passions, how many times are you faced with a decision, a choice, or an opportunity in a day? Lots of times, right? Lots of them. So if you don't have your top 5 passions somewhere where you can see them and remember them and that you get triggered, oh yeah, I need to see if this decision is going to help me be more connected to these, you might forget, right? And so these passion cards are to help you be able to, when you're faced with a decision or a choice, to be able to go, oh, is this going to help me be more connected to what I love and care about, or is it going to take me farther away? So if you were going to put these up, and we suggest you put them up all over where you'll see them, where are some places that you might put these up so that when you're faced with a decision, you remember to see if that decision is going to help you be more connected? Where could you put these? The bathroom mirror, that's a good place. See it first thing in the morning when you get up. Where else?
Your computer at work.
Computer at work. You know, one of the things that I've done in the past is to make it a screensaver. You know, how you can make a background. You can even do it on your mobile phone. Huh? Where else? Where else could you put these? Yeah.
Your journal.
Your journal, absolutely. Where else?
The refrigerator.
The refrigerator, right? When you open the door. Oh, yeah. Let's see, is this going to bring me closer to my passion or not? Well, where else? Anywhere else?
Beside your bed.
Beside your bed? Great.
In your car.
In your car? On your ceiling? Good. You ever hear the story? Maybe you did. When Jack Canfield told the story in The Secret of putting a check to himself for $1 million on the ceiling, so he'd see it every time when he woke up in the morning. So. Yeah, so these are all great ideas. The key thing is passion cards are for the purpose of helping you to remember to make that choice in favor of your passions. And what does it say at the very bottom of the card?
This or something better.
This or something better. Do you think that it's possible that you might not know all the possibilities, that there could be something even better than what you can imagine right now in store for you? What do you think? Yeah, so this or something better is just the reminder that let me be open to it showing up as good as it can be. Yeah? Great.